Engineering projects today are becoming increasingly complex and fast-paced. Deadlines are tight, clients expect constant updates, and engineers are working at full capacity to keep up. For many civil engineering firms, the biggest challenge is not effort or ability, but limited resources amid growing project demands. In today's competitive environment, maintaining precision and meeting deadlines requires more than dedication. It calls for a smarter way to manage capacity. That's why many forward-thinking firms are exploring new forms of collaboration that combine flexibility, expertise, and sustainability. In civil engineering, every detail matters. From design drawings and elevation points to drainage layouts, every element requires accuracy and consistency. However, as workloads increase while recruitment and training remain time-consuming and costly, many firms face a difficult balance between schedule, quality, and cost. This imbalance, too much work and not enough technical capacity, represents the resource gap that the industry is striving to overcome. Relying solely on internal teams can lead to excessive pressure, delays, and inconsistent quality. The real question is how firms can maintain both speed and precision while ensuring long-term efficiency. Outsourcing in civil engineering is no longer just about reducing costs. It has become a smart and flexible growth strategy. Through outsourcing partnerships, companies can expand their technical capacity, easily adjust team size to match workload, and leverage specialized expertise in advanced technology from external design professionals. The greatest advantage of this model is flexibility. When project demand spikes, additional resources can be added immediately. When workloads slow down, capacity can be scaled back without extra overhead. This transforms a fixed cost structure into a flexible one, enabling firms to adapt quickly to change while maintaining financial stability. Beyond flexibility, outsourcing also enhances quality control. Professional design teams follow structured workflows, multiple review checkpoints, and use industry standard software such as Civil 3D and AutoCAD Civil, ensuring that every design is accurate, consistent, and compliant. Importantly, outsourcing does not replace internal engineers, it empowers them. In-house professionals can focus on conceptual design, project coordination, and client engagement, while external teams handle detailed drafting, documentation, and production. This creates a workflow where each part of the process is managed by the right people at the right time with the right expertise. When managed effectively, outsourcing becomes a catalyst for growth and reliability. Firms can take on more projects, expand into new markets, and maintain consistent quality and timely delivery. More importantly, leaders gain peace of mind knowing their teams are supported and their operations remain sustainable even under pressure. One notable example is AXA Engineers, a trusted partner helping civil engineering firms worldwide expand design capacity and strengthen quality control. With a foundation built on technical expertise and structured collaboration, AXA Engineers enables partners to optimize resources, improve precision, and accelerate project delivery through transparent processes and disciplined quality standards. In an industry where time, cost, and quality must always align, outsourcing has become a bridge between today's challenges and tomorrow's opportunities. If you believe the future of civil engineering lies in collaboration and adaptability, now is the time to explore how the right partnership can elevate your next project. Connect with AXA Engineers to learn how we can help you scale with confidence, deliver with precision, and grow sustainably.